The bodywork plant in Valencia has a surface area of approximately 300,000 square meters, and we build 2,000 vehicles a day. Incorporating 3 MiR robots into our assembly line has allowed us to convert a routine distribution job into a highly skilled job. The satisfaction we have achieved with the installation of these 3 robots in the distribution of industrial materials has permitted us to open up new fields to the incorporation of new robots in the bodywork plant and even beyond, in other sections of this factory. We have already proven that these robots are able to learn their route by themselves, as well as that they are perfectly able to interact with our employees and forklift trucks in complete safety.
Of the 3 MiR robots we made for this project, the first was christened as Survival because what it did was to survive an extremely hostile environment. In this particular case, the solution we used for this autonomous collaborative robot was to transport the replacement parts of the production equipment from the warehouse to the production lines. It was one of the first applications that we developed for the Ford Valencia bodywork plant. Now, I can tell you that Survival has survived this hostile environment. Today, it is still distributing these pieces from the warehouse to the production lines.
It was important to us that the robots had 3 characteristics. The first was that the robot's navigation did not require external elements such as external beacons, magnets in the flooring, or tape on the ground. We mapped the testing area and the robot started working. In an environment as complicated as ours is, that was something to be grateful for. It does not require any changes because the robot can adapt perfectly to our application. It does not need external elements. The only thing we had to do was to map the plant, its working environment, and then program the points where we needed it to unload. Making the robot easy to use was extremely important to us. I would split the ease of use into 2 parts. First, how easy it is to use the robot itself, and second, how easy it is to use our application. With regard to the robot, it is structured so that anyone can use it, even if they are not familiar with the world of mobile collaborative robots, because it is a very friendly environment. With regard to our relationship with MiR, it has always been very smooth and they helped us quite a lot from the very beginning, both when we developed ideas and providing us with more ideas and guiding us through the process. With respect to the efficacy of this MiR Robots project, I would say that it's been rather elevated since each robot works for 6 hours a day, which is what we need, making a total of 18 hours a day between the 3 robots.